Dear all, welcome to my channel Biology Notes. Today I will discuss about the kidneys, the main excretory organs in human. Contents of the video include general overview, shape, size, location of kidneys, structural organization and general functions of kidneys. This is a diagram of the urinary system of human. The urinary system consists of two kidneys, two ureters, urinary bladder, and urethra. The kidneys play an important role in body homeostasis by conserving fluids and electrolytes and by disposing metabolic waste. So in this video I will discuss only about the kidneys. The kidneys are reddish bean-shaped organs located on either side of the spinal column in the retroperitoneal space of the posterior abdominal cavity. They extend from the 12th thoracic to the 3rd lumbar vertebrae. The right kidney positioned slightly lower than the left kidney. In an adult human, each kidney measures approximately 12 cm long, 6.5 cm wide, and 2.5 cm thick. In adult male, the approximate weight of right kidney is 110 gram and left kidney is 117 gram. In adult female, the approximate weight of right kidney is 101 gram and left kidney is 108 gram. This diagram shows the external morphology of kidney. The kidneys are reddish in color and bean-shaped organs. Each kidney has a concave medial border. This portion is called the hilum. Here, nerves enter, the ureter exits, and blood and lymph vessels enter and exit. The lateral surface is convex. The upper portion of kidney is known as superior pole and the lower portion of kidney is known as inferior pole. On the superior pole of each kidney lies an adrenal gland. This expanded funnel-shaped region is known as the renal pelvis. It exits from the kidney and forms ureter. The surface of the kidney is covered by a connective tissue capsule. This is a diagram of longitudinal section of human kidney. There are two distinct regions, cortex and medulla. This is cortex region. It is the outer part and reddish brown in color. This inner region is known as medulla. It is much lighter in color. Approximately 90 to 95% of the blood passing through the kidney is in the cortex region and 5% to 10% is in the medulla region. The cortex consists of renal corpuscles along with the convoluted tubules and straight tubules of the nephron, connecting tubules, collecting ducts, and an extensive vascular supply. In this region, a series of vertical striations can be seen. These are called medullary rays. Approximately 400 to 500 medullary rays project into the cortex from the medulla. Each medullary ray contains straight tubules of the nephrons and collecting ducts. In between medullary rays, there are the renal corpuscles, the convoluted tubules of the nephrons, and the connecting tubules. After the cortex, this inner part is known as medulla. Here, straight tubules, collecting ducts, and a special capillary networks known as the vasa recta are present. In this area, we can see few conical structures. They are known as renal pyramids. In human kidney, there are 8 to 15 renal pyramids. The bases of the pyramids face the cortex. In this diagram, I have drawn 7 renal pyramids. Each pyramid is divided into an outer medulla, which is adjacent to the cortex, and an inner medulla. The pyramids are separated from each other by extensions of the cortex called renal columns. These are renal columns. Each renal pyramid and the renal cortex above it forms the renal lobe. So, this portion is called the renal lobe. In humans, on average, there are 7 to 18 renal lobes. The numbers of lobes in a kidney equals the number of medullary pyramids. So, in this diagram, there are 7 renal lobes. Finally, tip of each pyramid is known as renal papilla. Renal papilla projects into a minor calyx that collects urine formed by tubules in one renal lobe. These are minor calyces. The minor calyces are branches of the 2 or 3 major calyces. These are major calyces. Major calyces then united together to form renal pelvis. This renal pelvis then forms ureter. General functions of kidney: regulation of the balance between water and electrolytes and the acid-base balance, excretion of metabolic wastes along with excess water and electrolytes in urine, excretion of many bioactive substances including many drugs, secretion of erythropoietin, renin, conversion of provitamin D3 to the active form vitamin D3. So this is all about the general structure and functions of human kidney. If you have any query, please comment, like and share the video. Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get notifications of new video. Stay with us, keep watching. Thank you.